Do you want to change your Pinterest account password? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to change your password on your Pinterest account. First thing to do guys is to open up your Pinterest app, come to your phone and search for Pinterest. Just open it. When you open it guys, at the down page of your home page, just go ahead and click on your profile picture. When you click on your profile picture guys, you can see the profile picture at the top left corner. Just click on it again, then it will bring you to your account information. Just go ahead and click on account management. When you click on account management guys, you find your account personal information, you find your email, your password. Just go ahead and click on change password at the front. Now you have to enter your current password, which means the password you used to open up or used to log into your Pinterest account. Now go ahead and create another new password. Now when you are done entering your password, the current one and the new password you want to use, just go ahead and click on done at the top right corner here. You can see it. Now your old password was entered incorrectly. Please enter it correctly. Now if your current password is not correct, you won't be able to change your new password. So you have to enter the correct password. You have to enter the correct password of your current password. Now after doing that, just go ahead and click on done. Can you see it guys? My password have been changed. So guys, that is how to change password on Pinterest account. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.